What if you can have a tool that can also be a great partner as you work with LinkedIn? Meet Linked Booster, a social network automation application that enables you to level up your professional career while saving time and money. Check out this product review and discover a great deal for you and your business. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get an exclusive price just by clicking on the link in the description below. So, what are you waiting for? Take a sip of your coffee and let Linked Booster solve your LinkedIn usage issues. Try it now. Also, check out our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.